Hello, thanks for tuning in. This is our mini Christmas Village 2025. Few changes. Right now, we're just going through the basic layout before we put the snow and all the vehicles and stuff like that out. And you notice that there is some plastic in front of some of the displays. Well, Trixie is the reason for that. We just wanted to make sure she didn't destroy our work. She's a little under the weather. She's recovering from surgery. Anyhow, right here we have the Seaside area. I see the Polar Bear Club is meeting as usual, and we have a bunch of very, very nice towers, and we have an angel on a rock and a house up on a hill. Now we move into the residential area. And you can see that this church has got some people going in right now. And up on top there in the house, the Smiths, they're just ready to go out. Just a little bit different village. Uh, Hey, like and subscribe, hit the notification button. Really helps my channel. And right there we have the firehouse. A couple people on the top, seeing as it's one of the tallest buildings, they're looking around at what's going on. And the school, the last of the kids leaving for the holidays. More houses, lots of snow this year, and lots of people out and about. They're all enjoying their shopping and some of the activities. There's the fire station. And looks like there's having a little party at the Joneses. And another church is bringing people in. And up on the hill, we have the Crowters. And another big church with the town creche. And there is lots of people looking at that. That's fantastic. That's great. Because Christmas is the season, but Jesus is the reason for the season. So, and here we go, and lots of busyness. We've got the candy store. It's right in the residential area. Somebody's planned that smart. Oh, there's the Christmas tree lot. Oh, somebody's got one on the back top of their car, taking her home. This is the downtown area. We have the pet store. Looks like there's a couple of families going in to look at something for Christmas, a pet of some sort. And there's some people working on their lights. Lots of people shopping for the Christmas season. Various buildings. There's the Christmas tree lot again. You can see the festival area in behind. Kids snowboarding and tobogganing down the hill. Yeah, they look like they're pretty busy getting new Christmas trees and what have you. And this is the ski hill and festival area. You can see the ski lifts are pretty busy going up and down, and you can see the tobogganers, the kids tobogganing, and the town Christmas trees being finished up by the firefighters. Yeah, you can see them up there fixing the lights. Then we got a little bit of a hockey game going on here, even with spectators. Looks like there's a little bit of a rough and tumble game there. And next door is the public skating arena, and that's a little quieter. Lots of people there. And we're up on Santa's mountain. There's Santa, just out amongst his castles. And all the houses that belong there, covered in snow. Very nice little area. Oh, we got Santa's reindeer. They're getting ready for practicing and getting ready for their big day. And there's a church up there as well. And some of the other reindeer are running around. They're not trained yet, so they're running more or less wild. and the North Pole. Very, very good. All excellent. We're back to downtown again. Just taking a fast cruise through right at the moment. Oh, there's a bird's eye view of the festival area. Kind of a bird's eye view of the rest of downtown, the churches, etc. Polar Bear Club. That's the first go through. Let's see if we can pick up some details on the next one. Well, that's Santa's Hill with the lights. Got some lights going this time. Very, very pretty. So Santa's Mountain is decorated pretty nicely as well. It's got some lights. Santa's working on his sled. I don't know what he's doing to it, but he's working on his sled. All looking good. Everybody's out and about, waiting for that big night, big day. Christmas is here. Yoo-hoo! The seaside, under the lights. All those polar bear people, they're swimming a lot. Ugh, brr. Does kind of look nice under the lights, though. An angel on a rock. And we're moving on. And here's the festival area with more lights than before. Nighttime view. Kind of bird's eye view from it. Pretty busy down there. I mean, there's people skiing and tobogganing and skating and just having fun in the snow. There's a toboggan hill. That's pretty busy. It's nice to have something like that with all the free snow. This is a very, very busy area. Festival grounds. Very, very pretty. Got angels on some of the roofs and the firefighters finishing up the decoration of those big trees for that big light up. That hockey game still going strong. Hey, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Really helps me out. Thank you very much. If you want to make a little bit of an improvement on your own YouTube channel, you should try out vidIQ. In the comments down below, I'll show you how to get that, and try out vidIQ using my link, and you can try it for free. It can really help you out, get you more subscribers, or improve your videos so you're happier with them. Anyhow, that's vidIQ. All right, there's the downtown again. There's the hotel, people checking in, or maybe they're checking out, who knows. Kids getting some pets. The pet stores are right there. And there we go, churches. That one's got a bit of a climb up to it from some areas. Still selling lots of groceries and getting their baked goods. Everybody likes baked goods. Put on about 100 pounds during Christmas season. They're still selling trees. There's one on the roof already. Very pretty, very pretty. Everybody out and about getting ready for this Christmas season. We got festivals going and recitals, school concerts, all sorts of really fun stuff, festive stuff. I bet you those kids are going to be happy to get out of school for a little while. Just finishing up their school concert, I bet you. Churches are busy this time of year as well, doing all their fundraising and helping out the people that are less fortunate. Some of the houses up on the hill. There's another church nestled into the trees and around the hills. Everything is so pretty. And a big attraction this year is the nativity scene. There's lots of people taking a look at that today. Take a look at it and then go into the church, or take a look at it when they come out of the church. A little bit of a side view. You can see some of the people coming in and out of the church. There's a photographer there. He's taking a picture for the paper, if they still do that. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button, please. It helps me so much. What do we got here? The candy shop. Bet you that's a busy place this time of year. Yeah, everybody has a tendency to eat just a little bit too much during the Christmas holidays, but lots of snow this year. Lots and lots of snow. And the festival areas with all the flashing lights all lit up. People skiing and tobogganing and snowboarding, taking walks in the mountains, skating, walking around the festival grounds. Everything looks so festive under the lights. All the lights flashing and everything. Very, very pretty. Well, and they even have to carry out their grocery shopping and all that at nighttime. Some people have to work or are working. That looks like a police car up there. I wonder what he's doing. People toing and froing and going to parties and meetings and occasions, festivals, going out and taking a look at the Christmas lights. That's always a fun thing to do. We have a last look around. Oh, lots of people are out and about doing their business, just waiting for their big day. Well, that's our setup for this year. We're quite happy with it. Started a little late because we've had some things happening, but I think this is one of the best ones we've had and done so far. Just a reminder, go out and enjoy yourself, visit with friends, don't eat too much, don't drink too much. But remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and notification buttons. Notifications will, next time I release a video, you'll see it first. Thanks so much. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Happy everything. Everybody be joyful and happy in this time of year. Thank you so much.